afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Don Johnson Motors in beautiful Cumberland, Wisconsin. Today I wanted to show off a beautiful fresh truck to our lot. It's a 2017 Ram 1500 Bighorn with 36,000 miles on it. Very clean truck, very well equipped. Has a Mopar tonneau cover as well as a spray and bed liner. Mud flaps, 20-inch rims, wheel-to-wheel running boards make it easier to get into the box. This does have the park sensors front and rear. Also comes with the tow camper style mirrors, so those will actually fold up and out of the way for the camper style. This was upgraded to the Mopar leather interior, which is not common in the Bighorns. Normally come with cloth. Also has the rubber floor liners and the in-floor storage. This truck is a crew cab. It says Mopar leather. Power driver's seat with lumbar support. Inside we have our cruise control and Bluetooth audio functions. Information panel on the screen there. This truck does have navigation, heated seats and heated steering wheel, trailer brake controller, cup holders and storage, and then you have some storage with some USB and auxiliary cord holders, deep storage down there. Power sliding rear window. Very clean truck overall. And this truck has been discounted to our rock bottom pricing of $29,500. So if you have any questions on this Ram, want to come in, take a closer look at it, maybe take it for a drive, feel free to give me a call or swing on it anytime. This is Jonathan with Don Johnson Motors. I can reach at 715-475-1721. Thank you.